everyone. I found this amazing treasure at the flea market this weekend and wanted to share it with you. Both of these huge bundles were $5 each. This one had a yard of fabric in it. It had jelly roll. It had 5 by 5 squares, a ton, just pounds of fabric. And this one had these complete squares. There was 30 of them. And then also in the bag were cut pieces to complete more blocks that she apparently didn't get to. I'm not going to probably use this at all. I might gift it to somebody at my quilt club who will actually turn this into a quilt because I don't think I'll have time to, and I just don't want to cut into them or do something that, I want to keep the integrity of a quilt going. But I am going to use this in a project, and I wanted to share with you this idea that I had. I mean, like I said, there's just tons of already like a patchwork thing going. So I'm just going to, I have a couple t-shirts, actually 5 of these t-shirts that I'm working on. They're beautiful. I love the color. They're LATs and love the dolman sleeve on them. So they have like a little cap short sleeve. Good quality fabric. They're not too thin, not too thick. And I'm just going to lay these out and form a long patchwork that I want to do around the bottom of it. So I'm at my sewing machine now, just piecing these, just taking a 1/4 inch seam allowance and just doing lots of these. As I have 5 t-shirts to go around the bottom I want to do a bottom of each of the 5 t-shirts. I'm pressing these, just taking every seam, not pressing them open, but in one direction. At this point, thinking I maybe should have pieced these all with my serger, but I didn't. And so I'm going to even off the edges of this. And then I am going to take this to my serger, and I am going to serge both of the long ends of this before I add it to the bottom of my t-shirts. And I got that done now. It's a matter of getting this onto my t-shirts, and I decided I'm going to just sew it from the inside right on that hem stitch. So I'm evening it up to that bottom of that hem, or the top edge of the hem, I should say. So on the front side, it just has a nice look to it. The hem is complete. I did turn up the bottom edge and I did hem it. I'm using this Sizzix die here, and I'll link it down below for you. It is, I'm not sure if it's still available, but it's a beautiful Dragonfly Sizzix. It is number 663477. And I have 5 of these to do, so I'm folding the fabrics. This will cut up to at least 4 layers. So I'm doing this a couple different times, but yeah, it's a wonderful little, this is such an old Sizzix, but it's tried and true. I've used it for years. So I cut the body in a dark brown, and the wings are going to be in this really colorful paisley looking fabric. And again, these were all part of that 5-inch squares, and I did put Heat and Bond Light on the back of all these squares that I'm doing. So the Heat and Back, or the paper adhesive, is already on the back of these. And I'm just going to lay this little Dragonfly out now. I've chosen this camel colored 5x5 squares, and I'm just centering or trying to figure out where I want to put those Dragonfly. And this is going to be right on the center front of my t-shirt. And I like that, so I'm just going to give this a quick press. I've already removed that paperback adhesive on the back of this, so this is just going to iron right on. And then I'll be removing that paperback adhesive from that camel colored square. And getting it nice and even. I do have I folded my t-shirt so I can see the center crease. And so I just making it somewhat even. I'm just kind of getting that Dragonfly body even with that center crease, and then giving that a good press. And then back to my sewing machine, I'm going to edge stitch this square using my blanket stitch or my applique stitch on my machine. And then I'm going to be switching to my free motion, and I'm going to free motion these wings on and the body on. And then you can see there I was able to add a little flight, kind of little stitches in there, and just doing some doodling on it. Added some antennas. Really love the Dragonfly, and it's always been a really popular design for me. Here's some pictures at the end. I hope you enjoyed this. Another quick, easy little redo on a t-shirt. Have a great week. Bye for now.